Hello, there is a lambda construction which doesn't change its structure, and I will show you right now. It is lambda a and return a. If you give it something, it will not change it. For instance, array formula of now. You know that now is a function which changes every time. It's like now. It's like a thing that changes when something typed here. For instance, if I type and create another now sequence, you will see that it will change. It will recalculate each time I type something. You see, now it recalculates, but this now does not recalculate. And this array formula is because I want to create a few instances of this now. I will just multiply it by sequence of 10 instances. One column start from 1 and step 0. So I will have 10 instances of this now in my case. So what you see here, if I type something or I delete something, my usual formula changes its value, but this now function doesn't change its value. But you cannot rely on it because when you change formatting, it will recalculate. So only if you change formatting or if you refresh spreadsheet, it will recalculate. But that's fair enough to create some random sequence which will not change from a time, so it will not bother you. It will not refresh your screen all the time, and it will be very good to see it on screen. Let's see how to create random array. You see this function, and out of 10 numbers, but it should be formatted as number or automatic, or like this. I will kill this timestamp format, and the same, it will not change. But if you do it without lambda, do it like this, render array 10 equal sign before the formula, it will recalculate all the time you do something, and it can be really annoying. So it's not desired behavior in your case. So you want to create something stable like this. And you may know that a random array is built in a Google Spreadsheet formula function, which gives you some random number between 0 and 1. So the fewest number is 0, the biggest is 1, the middle is 0.5, and 0.5 will be equals to true in our case. So I will just create a condition. If this equals or more than 0.5, then give me true or false, and also convert it into array. And one more trick: instead of using this array formula, I use shorter version, index, which also works as an array formula. So now I have sequence of 10 true and false values. And what you can do with it also, if you want to give users more values with truth than with false, you can just do it like 1/3, 1 divided by 3 here. 1 divided by 3. So now you got more values with truth and less false values here in your data, and it's also a beautiful output. And I will think about it because I have my random true false function, but it now has only number of items as parameter, but it also may have something like probability. If it is like 50%, so 50 will go to truth, 50 to false. If it 1/3 like here, then we'll have more truly values. If it will be 2/3, we'll have more false values, and so forth. So you can play between numbers between 0 and 1. You can play with this number too for creating your arrays. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed and hope it makes sense for you. Please say in comments which else random sequences you use and how you use them. Thank you.